Hi everyone, in today's video we will be using DTH level sensor. This is the DTH level sensor. As you can see, very disciplined. This sensor is used for the monitoring humidity and the temperature. So let's view. So the hardware components that are required are NodeMCU, breadboard, jumper cables, DTH level sensor, and data cable. The platform that we are using to code the NodeMCU is Arduino IDE. This is the platform which we will be using to code. Here is the code. First of all, we need to see that this is the library for the DTH level sensor, and we specified a pin D4 for the DTH level, and here we are going to serial print or DTH level and also serial print of humidity and the temperature in our serial monitor. So the connections are as follows. As you can see, this is the DTH level sensor, in which you can see there are 3 pins. One is VCC, one is data, and one is ground. This is able to send digital signals. So first let's connect this female to female jumper cable, which was provided by the DTH level in the pattern. So let's connect our pins in such a way that we connect red to the VCC, brown to the ground, and negative to the ground of the DTH level sensor. And I connect the male to male connector in the same level. Here I am going to use same way, red to red, brown to brown, and black to orange. And this is the connection that we have made. Now take the breadboard and the NodeMCU and make sure, since we are using the digital pins, we are going to place it in this manner. As the code, as per the code, we can see that we need to connect our digital pin in the data pin of the DTH level sensor to the pin number 4, okay, or D4. Now the data pin is the brown color wire, which is this one. I am going to connect this to D4. In the NodeMCU, you can find D4 pin here, connected to D4. And second, and the red is the VCC, and this is the ground. Connect this to the 3 volt of the NodeMCU. As you can see, here is 3 volt. And ground to ground. This is the simple connection that we did. Before connecting it to the laptop or system, make sure you remove the D4 pin and the 3 volt pin. Now connect the data cable to the NodeMCU and this pin to the system. Okay. Now let's go and select the board. Since we are using the NodeMCU, and let's check whether there are any errors or not. As you can see, we got an error which includes that we didn't install the library for the DHT11 sensor. To install the library, we need to go to the library section. This is the library icon. Click on it and search for DHT11. Or just simply copy this and paste here. As you can see, we got this many of them. We need to go with the ADF route. This is the library which we are going to be using. Click on install, install all. This will be installing all the libraries that are required for the DHT11 sensor. As you can see, we have successfully installed all the libraries for the DHT11 sensor. And once again, we will check whether there is any error or not. And since we have installed the library, it will be automatically taking the library that has been installed. Okay. As you can see, there are no errors and the library has been successfully recognized and it's been installed. Next, we will upload the code in our NodeMCU. Go to the port section and click the port and hit upload. As you can see, the code is being uploaded in the NodeMCU. Since the code has been uploaded, we will connect the data pin to the D4. And our VCC to the 3 volt. This is the connection that we did, and as you can see, once everything is successful, you can see there is a LED is being drawn on the DHT11 sensor. Means it's being recognized and it's being functioning properly. Let's see the results. As you can see here in the code, we are going to use the port of 9600, the bandwidth of this port. Now go to the serial monitor. Now go to the serial monitor and click on the serial monitor, and here select the bandwidth, that is 9600. As you can see, we are able to get the temperature and the humidity levels. This is a simple code to collect the data, the temperature and the humidity. So let's talk about this troubleshooting. If the LED is not glowing on this DHT11 sensor, it indicates that be not recognized or it's not properly connected. If you kind of misconnected, like if the pin of the voltage, if I remove and placed it somewhere else, it won't be like having the same level of brightness which was earlier. Okay, so you need to like place the same pins, ground to ground, VCC to 3 volts, and data pin to the D4. And that's it for today's video. And thank you.